one vision,
One community. Good day. I am your Tito Padap.
and I am Gasgas of Belgas.
We are today for our new episode of Fight Me!
Where we will going to help those who seek justice.
Who call for help and those who need guidance and advice.
Yes, you're right, partner. For today, we will going to witness Mother Nature versus Ana Panadero, the accused one who committed the crime.
She heard Mother Nature of committing the criminal case number 87000 of destroying the environment.
What will be the consequences of this case?
Will Mother Nature attain justice?
Let us all witness what they went through. Only here at Fight Me!
All rise. Standing County Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge, Laila Tito, is now presiding.
People who are allowed in the courtroom are those who are involved in this case. If anyone is not involved here, must leave at this time. Everything that is talked about here in this court must be kept confidential.
Please be seated.
Kindly call the first case.
Mother Nature versus Hannah Panadero. Criminal case number 87000. Accused Hannah Panadero commits a crime of destroying the environment, committed as follows. That on or about October 27, 2018, around 8 o'clock in the morning, the municipality of Finland, province of Group3, and within the jurisdiction of its honorable court, the above named accused, did then and those willfully and lawfully and seriously hurt, offended, distressed, and individual. Mother Nature, resulting her to suffer pollution and damages on her subsystems. Water pollution on oceans and rivers. Air pollution on the atmosphere. Trees were cut down and plastics were scattered. Mother Nature against her will and consent. Contrary to law.
Attorney Takina for the prosecution, Your Honor.
Attorney Babita respectfully appearing to the defense, Your Honor.
Mother Nature's lawyer, do you wish to make an opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor. The evidence in this case will prove that on Saturday, October 27, Hannah Panadero hurt and caused damage on my client, Mother Nature. The above named accused did nothing but hurt her. Instead of taking care of her as an exchange of her kindness, Hannah threw garbage in the river, smoked, cut down trees in the forest, and threw her in the properties around. That's all, Your Honor.
Panadero's lawyer, do you wish to make an opening statement?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client, Hannah Panadero, has been wrongfully accused of hurting and causing damage on Mother Nature. On that day, October 27, she went to her friend's house. That is all, Your Honor.
Prosecuting attorney, would you like to call your first witness?
I would like to call Mother Nature to the witness stand, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. Yes, I do.
State your name.
I am Mother Nature.
Can you describe what happened on that day?
I was in silence watching the birds fly. The fishes are swimming around and other creatures are moving. And then suddenly I felt a shake. I knew that someone's hurrying up there, so I went to check. I saw no one, but I saw an identification card.
I hand you what is marked as Exhibit 1. And as if that is your identification card.
Yes, it is.
I move that Exhibit number 1 is admitted into evidence.
Exhibit number 1 is admitted into evidence.
Is the person on the identification card here inside the court?
Yes.
Can you point her out? No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense counsel, do you wish to cross-examine this witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Are you 100% sure that Hana Panadero did that to you?
Objection!
Sustained.
Did you check that was her in the identification card?
Yes, I did.
Did you clearly saw the photo?
No, because it was on my mic.
So you assume that is her?
The name says Hannah Panadero and it looks like her.
No further questions, Your Honor.
You will now be dismissed. Prosecuting counsel, kindly call your next witness.
I call Mr. Dax Birdie-Bird to the witness stand, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
State your name.
I am Dax Birdie Bird.
Okay, Mr. Dax Birdie-Bird, where were you on the 27th of October?
I was just soaring around the forest, going towards the rivers and through some valleys.
Did you notice something very unusual?
I did.
Could you tell me?
At first, when I passed the river, it was clean, but when I passed back, I saw garbage floating. As I fly across this, I saw a human walking towards the forest. That is when I saw someone smoking and throwing her trash.
Is that human here?
Yes.
Can you point her out? No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense counsel, do you wish to cross-examine this witness?
I do, Your Honor. Did you really saw Miss Panadero?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
You may now be dismissed. Any more witnesses?
No more, Your Honor.
Defense counsel, you may now present your case to the jury.
I call Hana Panadero to the stand.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
State your name.
Hana Panadero?
Did you went to the river on that day?
No!
Where were you till the 7th day of October, 8 o'clock in the morning?
I was at my friend's house.
That's all, Your Honor.
Prosecuting counsel, do you want to cross-examine this witness?
None, Your Honor.
Okay. You may now be dismissed. Kindly call the next witness.
I call Cleo Quemado to the witness stand, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. I do.
Okay, Miss Quemado. Were you and Hana together on that day?
Yes, we were.
Miss Quemado, I'll show you this exhibit number 2. Can you identify this?
That is an Insta photo of mine and Hannah together taken last October 27th.
I move that exhibit number 2 be admitted into evidence.
Exhibit number 2 is admitted into evidence. Do you wish to cross-examine this witness, prosecuting counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Cleo, what time did you took that photo?
Around 9 o'clock, I guess.
Well, how far is your house from the river?
Not that far.
Maybe 5 to 10 minutes of travel.
Yeah, I guess.
No more further questions, Your Honor.
You may be dismissed. Any more witnesses?
None.
None.
Prosecuting counsel, do you wish to make a closing statement to the jury?
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the evidence you have heard proves that Hana Panadero had caused damage of Mother Nature's subsystem and herself on October 27, 2018. The evidence also shows that when Mother Nature went to check, she saw an identification card that may look silky but it looks like Hana Panadero. You heard Mr. Dax Birdie saw Hana Panadero walking from the river towards the forest. Don't you think that before she went to her friend's house, She passed by the river and threw her garbages into the river. I ask you to do the right thing and bring back a verdict in favor of Mother Nature and against Hannah Panadero.
Defense counsel, do you wish to address the jury?
Yes, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Hannah is an innocent woman. Do you think she wants to hurt Mother Nature intentionally? Do you think this innocent lady here can do such things? She may look violent, but she is a very nice person. Cleo, her friend, told us that she was with her during that day, October 27. I asked you to do the right thing and bring back to the verdict paper of Hannah Panadero and against Mother Nature.
Juries, you will now retire to the jury room to deliberate. When you have reached a verdict, please inform the bailiff. Bailiff, take charge of the jury.
After a few days of deliberating the case of Mother Nature versus Hannah Panadero, here comes now the result. Will justice be prevailed on Mother Nature? Let's find out.
Mother Nature versus Hannah Panadero. Criminal case number 87000. Accused Hannah Panadero commits a crime of destroying the environment. The jury has concluded that Hannah Panadero is guilty. She will be then imprisoned for 6 months.
So ordered.
After a long fight, Mother Nature seeks justice for what she'd been through. Hannah Panadero took the consequences for what she had done and said that she regrets all the things that she had done.
6 months have passed, and Hannah now is taking good care of Mother Nature. She has now changed and now cleans the river and plant trees in the forest. It is never too late for us to change. We should be thankful for Mother Nature is giving us the things that we need.
We should be the one who is nurturing and taking good care of her.
Again, I am Gasgasa Belgas.
And I am your Tito Badang.
Remember, if you know that you're right, you should fight for it.
Watch us again on the next episode, only here at
Fight me!
Pagwede si Combo nga pinakabulit ko.
Siya manan, sika!